Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine and very good. Good. Now ask me, what about you ma'am? I am also fine, thank you so much. First we will do prayer, then we will do revision. Okay? So please stand up, join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. Say loudly. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Slowly open your eyes. Yes. Today we will do revision. Okay. Today we will do writing work also, but first we will learn fruits name. Okay, I will show you some pictures. You just tell me which picture is this. Yes. Which fruit is this? Which fruit is this? केला. केला तो हिंदी में बोलते हैं. This is banana. Which fruit is this? Banana. Which fruit is this? Banana. Say loudly. Banana. Which fruit is this? Banana. What is the spelling of banana? Say loudly. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Which fruit is this? Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Now see. See the next picture. Which picture is this? Mango. Which picture is this? Mango. What is the spelling of mango? M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Say loudly. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Which fruit is this? Mango. And this one is banana. Banana. And this one is mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Say loudly. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Which fruit is this? Banana. This one is mango. Now see the next picture. Which picture is this? Grapes. Which picture is this? Grapes. Which picture is this? Grapes. What is the spelling of grapes? Say loudly. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Which picture is this? Grapes. Which fruit is this? Grapes. What is the spelling of grapes? Say loudly. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Now next. Which fruit is this? This is banana. No. So this is pineapple. Which fruit is this? Watermelon. Which fruit is this? Watermelon. Which fruit is this? Watermelon. So what is the spelling of watermelon? Say loudly. W-A-T-E-R. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. M-E-L-O-N. Melon. M-E-L-O-N. Melon. Watermelon. Watermelon. Okay. Which fruit is this? Watermelon. And this one is grapes. This one is grapes. Now see the next. see, I will show you some more pictures. So many fruits is here. Yes, this is fruits. Okay. This one is banana. Banana. Which fruit is this? Pineapple. Which fruit is this? Pineapple. Then this one is, this is orange. No. Which fruit is this? Papaya. Which fruit is this? Papaya. This one is grapes. Which fruit is this? Grapes. This one is apple. This one is apple. Which fruit is this? Apple. Which fruit is this? Apple. Okay. Now repeat after me and say loudly. Say grapes, grapes, papaya, papaya, pineapple, pineapple, banana, banana. Next is orange, orange. This one is apple. This one is apple. Okay. So everyone, we will write now. Please take out your notebook. Write down CW and today's date. CW and today's date. Write down the heading revision. This is your red line. Always write after red line. This is your margin. Write down the heading fruits. 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 First letter always come in capital. Draw two standing lines dividing three parts. Okay, now make the picture of apple. How to make apple? See, half curve, little bit curve like that. Turn this line and join this line. Which picture is this? Apple. Which picture is this? Apple. So what is the spelling of apple? A-double-P-L-E, apple. So write down the spelling of apple. A-double-E-L-E, apple. A double P L E, apple. How to learn the spelling? A double P L E, apple. You just count your finger and use your finger to learn this spelling. Okay? A double P L E, apple. A double P L E, apple. Okay? Write in the last line. I have no space, that's why I write here. But you have lot of space, right? So you will write in the last line. A double P L E, apple. Always say and write. Okay? Say and write. Write A double P L E, apple. A double P L E, apple. Write your name also. Fruits name. Have you completed? A double P L E, apple. A double P L E, apple. Now next. Make a picture of orange. How to make orange? Make one circle, one more point. Okay. So, which picture is this? Orange. Which picture is this? Orange. Write down the spelling of orange. Say loudly. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Say right. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Say loudly. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Say right. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Have you completed? Okay, now next. Make a picture of papaya. How to make papaya? Which picture is this? Papaya. Which picture is this? Papaya. So write down the spelling of papaya. Say loudly. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Say loudly. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Now go to the next line. Write down here. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Say that. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Have you completed? Read fast. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Write in the last line. Don't write only 3 or 4 times. Write in the last line. Okay? Have you completed? Go to the next page. Write down the homework and today's date. Please learn all the fruits name. Each and every spelling you have to say and write. Okay, have you completed this? Now I am going to wrap this. Take out your page, write down the homework and today's date. Take out your page, write down CW and today's date. Write down CW and today's date. Hurry up. Have you completed? Okay, draw two standing line, divide in three parts. Now next, make the picture of grapes. How to make grapes? Make 3 circles, then 2, then 1. Turn the line like this. Which picture is this? Grapes. Which picture is this? Grapes. Write down the spelling of grapes. 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 Say and write. Grapes. Grapes. Write in the last line. Say and write. Please learn all the spelling of fruits. Have you completed? Now next, make the picture of banana. Slanting line. Draw two standing line. Turn the line like this. Which picture is this? Banana. Which picture is this? Banana. So write down the spelling of banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Say right. N-A-N-A. Banana. Say right, everyone. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Hurry up. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Write till the last line. Now next line, make the picture of mango. How to make mango? From this side, turn line, slanting line, join this line. Which picture is this? Mango. Which picture is this? Mango. What is the spelling of mango? M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Now write down the spelling. M write like this. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Say right, hurry up. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Have you completed? Take out your new page, write down HW and page, right? Hurry up. Okay everyone, have you completed? Good. Please do the revision at your home. Write down the spelling and learn the spelling of fruits. Okay? Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Keep smiling. Bye.